Hi fam, welcome to my channel and to another DIY video of mine. So today I'm here to share with you how to make your own co-wash conditioner that can be used to cleanse your hair at home. And this is a very great recipe. It is very simple to make, and so just stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber to this channel. So I have here my conditioner as one of the ingredients. I also have a shampoo. This is the clarifying shampoo, and then a herbal hair rinse. Then I also have here my apple cider vinegar, and then my herbal mix, and this is the herbal extract. And I also have here, so to begin with, I start with a clean container, and then I measure some amount of my conditioner. Now this should be a regular conditioner. You can use any conditioner that you have at home. Just make sure that it is a conditioner. So the one I'm using is the Papilion conditioner. I did a review on it. You can check it out. I'll put a link above. I also have here water that I'm using to dilute the conditioner. Now you don't have to use a lot of water. Um, but if you're not going to be using a herbal hair rinse, then you need to use a lot of water. But for my recipe, I'm using just a little amount of water. Now the next thing to do is to add your clarifying shampoo. Now I'm mentioning clarifying shampoo because to make this co-wash conditioner work, you need a clarifying shampoo, not a conditioning shampoo. So make sure that you have any clarifying shampoo that you have. The one I'm using is a VO5 shampoo, and it is a clarifying shampoo. And the next thing you do is just to mix it up and add your herbal hair rinse. Now this herbal hair rinse is from We Naturals, and it is amazing because it has a lot of herbs in it. And I'm replacing this with my water. And so if you don't have the herbal hair rinse, you can use normal water at this stage. But to make it more potent, that is why I'm using my herbal hair rinse. Now the next thing you do is to make sure that you mix the conditioner with the water. Now this is something that usually takes time, but if you're able to do it well, you will get your full mixture. Now after this, I have to add my other stuffs, which is my glycerin. Now, glycerin, is a humectant, very great for hair. That is why I'm adding the humectant to it. And then I also go ahead to add my apple cider vinegar just for the benefits of apple cider vinegar. This is optional, and so you can decide not to add it to it. Now, with this, I just mix it and then go ahead with my herbal hair mix. Now, this is a herbal extract made with different herbs, and if you want to see a video on it, just let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video on this herbal extract. Now after mixing this up, I add my last thing, which is a thickener. Now this thickener is very optional, but I just wanted to make my co-wash a bit thicker. This is why I am adding my thickener. So if you don't have a thickener, it's okay, just do it without the thickener. So this is what I have, and this is my final co-wash conditioner. Girl, I have tried this on my hair, and then it was really, really amazing. That's why I'm sharing this recipe with you. Towards the end of the video, you would also see me apply this on my hair. Now, the exact measurements to this will be shared in the description box. So please do check the description box for the measurements. Okay, so now applying this on my hair, I go ahead to begin on a detangled hair. Now, this is a fully detangled hair ready to be washed or co-washed. Now, what you need to do is to start on a wet hair. Don't really co-wash on damp hair. It should be on wet hair. So I'm just wetting my hair because I'm not in the shower. That's why I'm using a spray bottle. Then I go ahead to apply or to use my co-wash, and what I do is just to begin on the scalp because that is where I want to take off the products residues from first, and then I work my way out to the roots. So this is me dispensing the co-wash and applying it to my hair. you have to make sure that the co-wash is dispensed in a way that you apply your conditioner on your hair. And because of the shampoo in it, my shampoo acts as a surfactant, that is the cleaning agent. Now, if you read a normal co-wash that is formulated by a natural hair sorry, that is formulated by an expert formulator, there is always a surfactant in it that has this foaming and cleansing effect. So this is what my shampoo in there is doing for my hair. And girl, trust me, this really did, and it does cleanses hair. Now this is a mild cleanser, and so I would advise that you use co-wash in between wash days. Co-wash should never replace your normal shampoo wash, because this is meant to remove product residues and help you restyle your hair in between wash days. So this is me applying the co-wash on my hair and scalp. Now you can go ahead to also detangle on this if you want to, because it is very very great and it helps to detangle as well. But since I've already detangled my hair, I just didn't want to detangle again. Now rinsing this off my head, this is it. My scalp feels very clean, and also my hair doesn't feel stripped at all. And this is my hair ready to be restyled for another week. So this is what I have for you guys. I hope this video was useful. If you want to try this recipe, you can just check the description box for the exact measurement. And also let me know if you have tried any co-wash or if you're a co-wash person. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you same time.